Hi, everybody. My name is Phil Cannato. I'm an implementation consultant with ProSymmetry. In this video, we're going to look at My Sheets. So depending on your Tempus use case and licensing, Tempus allows you as an administrator to create a templated spreadsheet which your individual users can access, and then they can populate those exclusively. So 3 parts to this. We're going to look at how to set up the sheets, how to extend permission to your users to be able to see and populate those sheets, and then we'll show what the end user experience looks like. So the first thing we'll do is to set these up. I'm going to hop out to Tempus here. For my home page, I'm going to go into admin settings, and then I'm going to go under sheets templates. So the My Sheets are going to be specific. These are going to be resource templates. So I'm going to hit the resource tab here, and we'll go ahead and create our template. So with this one, in this example, we'll want to we'll call this user experience. Let's call this experience. And then let's call this tier experience. And then here we'll just enter some sheets or some fields that we want to be populated. So we'll say tier 1. We'll go tier 2. Tier 3. And then we'll make these Booleans so our users can simply select yes or no, true or false. So we'll go ahead and create the template. And then from here, I'm going to go back out one screen, and then we're going to hit this button here that's going to allow the sheet to show up in your user's My Sheets. So once that's selected, now we can go ahead and extend the permissions out to our users to let them see what we've just set up for them. So back to our home page, we go to admin settings, and we're going to go into role management. So the user that we'll use in our test case, I have them assigned to the global role of manager group 1. So the My Sheets are going to be a global setting. So I'm going to go all the way to the right here where I see access own sheets. And this is what I want to make sure is enabled. So if you wanted to create a sheet where users can view, you're able to do that. But here, we're going to make sure that we have edit extended, and we'll hit save here. So this now should be set up where our users can go in once they're logged in and see My Sheets. So from that end user experience, we're going to jump into a test account here that I have. So as a user here, you see, I'm going to go ahead and refresh this account now that we've enabled the experience, and I should see My Sheets appearing out here. So let me refresh, and now I see My Sheets as an option since we've enabled it. So from this point, my user, in this case, Abigail, she's able to check out the sheet just as we set up, and we can go ahead and populate the data. And then we'll save and check in. And now My Sheets, so depending on if the managers want to go view these results or if this wants to feed into your reporting, you've now captured the user entries into My Sheets. So thanks for watching. Please visit our Help Center for more information or contact your Tempus representative.